Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see all the answers in Google Form. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you are the ones who is giving the test, okay, you can just go ahead and easily open up this specific form from Google Forms, of course. Okay, for example, this one right here. Okay, all you need to do is just go ahead over to responses and you'll be able to see the list of people who joined or answered your quiz. Okay. If you want to view the answers, you can go ahead over to the questions once more and just click on answer key. Now, if you're the ones who's trying to answer the specific quiz, let's say you have this link from your teacher or your instructor and you're trying to answer this one. So before, there was this trick where you right click and click on inspect and you should be able to see some answers. But now, unfortunately, it is patched. Okay. So there's this trick that I can share to you. Okay. So what you'll do is open up another browser, or you can go ahead and open up a private browser, okay, and paste this link. All right. And what you'll do under email, it will need your email, right? So enter a secondary email or a random email. Let's say I'm going to add in 123@gmail.com. And then once that's done, I'm just going to put a random answer right here and hit on submit. And then once done, you can go ahead and click on check your score. Okay. There you go. As you can see here, this one is correct. And this should be the correct answer. Okay. So what you'll do is just go ahead and go back to the quiz, close this browser and make sure to save the answers. Okay. Take a screenshot or write it down. Open up another private tab right here, paste the same link, and then go ahead and enter your own personal email. Okay, and then once done, you know the answer now, select 2 and hit on submit. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.